Hi, I'm Melina and welcome to Expert Village. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful necklace out of polymer clay. So, the next step is we're going to take our basic colors that we've selected and we're going to make variations. So, we said we're going to have small round green beads. So we're going to take our green clay and we're going to take a small amount of it and we're going to mix it with some yellow. And the best way to really blend it well is to just keep twisting it together, roll it out, and you just keep going until you get a nice even blend. Basically what we're trying to do is we're trying to get a whole bunch of different greens to swirl together to make the green beads. We're going to take our purple Fimo or whatever color you've selected and we're going to blend that. So we have a little slab of our original, and then we're going to take some and we're going to mix it with blue. And the great thing about working with polymer clay is that you can make so many different things. You can work on a project and you don't have to finish it right at that moment. You can leave it out. You can come back to it months later and it'll still be there, workable. And you can bake all of this right in your home oven or in a toaster oven. Okay. And here we got a really nice lavender color. And I think we are ready to make beads.